This video is brought to you by Vava. Hello and welcome to another Simple Tech Review. Today we'll be having a look at the Vava 2K rotatable dashcam. The Vava VD005 is the new 2K 360-degree rotatable dashcam that records at 2560x1440 resolution with a 155-degree field of view. It has GPS tracking capabilities, can be accessed through Wi-Fi, and has a modern design with a detachable magnetic holder that can be easily removed when needed. Let's begin by inspecting what comes in the box. We first see a thank you envelope that holds the installation and user guides. We then see the accessories box that holds the micro USB power cable, the lighter socket power supply with 2 USB charging ports, the magnetic rotatable suction cup mount, a plastic pry tool and cable clip holders with double-sided tape to route the cable, and finally the Vava dashcam itself. The Vava 2K is also modular. You may add the optional GPS module to record tracking information, and there's also the Bluetooth snapshot button to instantly save video and photos in case of emergency. As stated before, the dashcam has a strong magnetic base that holds the camera securely in place while at the same time allowing it to rotate 360 degrees. This is great if you need to record the inside of your vehicle or anyone outside your doors. Having a closer look at the dashcam, on the front we see the 2K 155-degree wide-angle lens with an aperture of f2.0. On both sides we see the vent holes that also serve as the speaker grills. On the back we see the folding cover to insert the microSD card up to 128GB and 2 LED indicators. And on top there's the magnetic base and the micro USB power port. The camera has an OmniVision 4689 sensor that records at a maximum resolution of 2560x1440 at 30 frames per second. To install the camera, simply secure the suction cup mount on your windshield, insert the microSD card on the dashcam, connect the micro USB power cable, and attach the dashcam to the mount with the magnetic hold. Route the power cable and finally connect the charger to your lighter accessory socket. Since the Vava dashcam has no screen, you will be able to access all of the camera's functions using the Vava mobile app. You can then go to your Wi-Fi settings and connect, or simply launch the app and you'll be guided to connect to the dashcam's hotspot. The default password is 123456778. Once you are connected, you will immediately see a live preview from the camera. From here, you will be able to take a picture snapshot, record a short clip that will be saved on your phone, and review the recording stored on the camera's SD card. Also, if you acquire the optional GPS module, you will be able to see a live map view of where the vehicle is being driven. If you click on the gear icon, you'll be taken into the camera's settings. Here, you'll be able to change the camera's name, set the wireless hotspot ID, change the Wi-Fi password for extra security, set the recording interval between 1, 2, or 3 minutes, change the recording resolution, change the G-sensor sensitivity, activate the parking monitor, turn the microphone on or off, turn the LED indicators on or off, mute the camera speakers, and turn the video watermark on or off. You can also share your recorded videos or photos, apply filters, save the camera's file to your phone, or delete them. In conclusion, the Vava Dashcam 2K is a very well built camera that gives you the freedom to record the front or inside of your vehicle on demand. It records crisp 2K video at 2560x1440 with its 155-degree lens. Its compact screenless design won't get in your way, allowing you to control everything from your smartphone. And with the GPS module, you'll be able to view the tracking history of where the vehicle was driven. If you'd like to check out the Vava 2K or the 1080p version, don't forget to click on the links provided below. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing, commenting, and sharing. Up next are the video sample clips. I'll see you again on our next review.